Hello everybody, this is Paul over at Referral Auto Group. We're about ready to walk around the KZ Durango 290 RLT before it starts raining. Hello everybody, this is Paul at Referral Auto Group. This is our 2026 KZ Durango Half-Ton 290 RLT. This thing is 34 feet long, weighs 9,990 pounds, sleeps 6, and has a fresh tank capacity of 55 gallons. Gray tank of 50 gallons and a black tank of 50 gallons. Now we're gonna walk through this thing and I'm gonna try not to mess up. Right here we got a 4-step aluminum steps going into the unit. We have an outdoor shower here. Pretty cool for washing your feet off when you go into the door. Storage compartment. Battery compartment. This thing does have solar on board too. Auto leveling, 4 points. Come around this way, you got a nice fiberglass cap with LED lights inside. They're like an orange color, pretty cool. Come around on this side, you can see the nice colors they're using nowadays for graphics. Looks great. Inside of here, you got your propane tanks. There's your controller for your auto leveling. Inside of here, there's your water compartment. Check out the photos for all the inside looks of all the boxes. Over here you have independent suspension, coil spring with shocks, 16-inch aluminum wheels. Look very nice. Come around this way. Frameless windows, very nice. It's raining right now, and what I always thought about these frameless windows is they don't trap dirt and they kind of keep themselves clean, even with the rain. Back ladder. You got yourself a camera prep tow package. Like I said, I'm probably missing a lot of things, but check us out on our website at www.referralautogroup.com, and all the photos will be there. Also, don't forget about our service department over there. They take care of all of your RV needs. We're also the home of the Warranty Forever. Check us out on the website. Aluminum wheels. Inside of here you have your outdoor griddle. Asdel construction. Guaranteed to not delaminate on the sidewalls. All weather, 4-season insulation. Rain just now stopped when I'm done with the video, but now we're gonna go inside. Take my shoes off. 1 second. Okay, pan around here so you can see the inside. Beautiful trailer. Nice raised booth. Looks like I'm gonna guess a 50-inch fireplace down there. 65-inch TV. 12 cubic foot Furrion refrigerator. Okay, I'm gonna pan around and walk down the hall and come back. 2 steps up into the hallway. Nice big shower. Looks like a porcelain toilet. Yep, porcelain. Your black sink over here. Go back to the bedroom. Looks like you have USB plugs on both sides of the bed, plus 110 for all you CPAP users. Wardrobe closet. Washer and dryer prep right inside of there. You also have an AC in the bedroom and in the living room. I'm going to pan around. TV location over there. Come around this way. Back down the hall. To the right is the bathroom. Skylight. Got your control panel to the right here. Thermostat. Handrail. Nice large stainless steel sink. Residential style faucet. Kind of run this way. Your stove and oven. Microwave. Again, your raised booth with 2 bar stools. In here you have your 2 sofa beds on both sides. Pretty nice. And your theater seating, power massage and reclining, I mean. Sound bar and fireplace. 65-inch TV. Turn it around so you can see it. Beautiful trailer. Come see us at 144 First Street, Escalon. Open Tuesday through Saturday, 9 to 5. Also, you can see us on our website. This on your website at www.referralautogroup.com. Go outside. Okay, everybody. This is our 2026 KZ Durango 290 RLT. Come and see it.